guys, it's Megan, and today we are in beautiful, sunny Florida. Yep. No more snow, no more sleet. And we're going to be tackling a shed repair. We're going to be showing you that step by step. Now, I am in no means a professional. Everyone I know knows that, but I know a little bit about everything. So, let's see if I can get out of here. The shed we are going to be working on is right here. Okay, there isn't very much really that's going to go on. We're just going to replace a couple of the panels. See there, the panel has damage on it. And we're going to here, whatever the hell that was that got in there. Whew, I don't want to meet it. There's some holes here, so we're probably going to take down all the paneling. Let me see, is this? Yeah. We're going to take down all the paneling, on the trim. And here there is no window, so we'll see if we can get a window for that space. And of course it's raining in the shed because there is no door. We're going to have to close that out with some 2x and put a regular door there. Again, we are going to keep the front intact, and we're just going to put down some trim and perhaps a piece of lattice so that we can hide underneath. And I'm going to take down that drip pan they have, I don't know, going across, and put in trim so that no water gets behind any of that. We're going to be putting in the steps because Grandma's a little old and I can't keep pushing up on this step. We have a little water coming in here. I'm not sure where that water's coming from. It rained last night, and that's what we're trying to figure out. So once we move this shelving unit, we will see. Maybe the water is seeping in from one of the holes in the back. We're going to be, I don't know, maybe keeping a portion of this, I'm not sure. We are going to be keeping this here intact. We may pull it out so we can put some beadboard on the bottom. So what we're going to do with the paneling outside is cut the bad part off, bring it inside, and cover the inside walls as best as we can. We have some 2x the old owner left behind, which we'll be using to frame out the new door. All right then, so here we go. Blue pieces down, white pieces up, eh? See that? Oh yeah, mama like. It's all done. Cut out the spray foam. We got all these pieces up. Oh yeah. Ruthie's putting in the last nail into nothing because she keeps missing the floor, the joist.
Yeah, it's rotted. Oh, rotted.
All right. So there you go, and there's Noah's running away. Noah's like, no more, no more. Okay. There we go. Where are you going in that now?
There's the top edge.
All right, there you go. Okay. Now we're just gonna screw the drip edge back in, and we'll come out tomorrow and trim out the bottom and the sides. I'm actually gonna put this piece, the corner pieces of trim tonight because I don't want it to rain and wet the sides. There we go. So we are in the shed. Let me see, does this light work? Ooh, nope. My bad. I guess you gotta turn it on from inside. And here we go. It's all closed up on the inside. Yay! No more holes. Damn it, we did miss a little rotting here at the corner on the outside, but I don't know that that's gonna affect anything because it wasn't wet on that side. And of course we never put the stairs on because it's getting dark and people are now starting to come out to see what we're doing, and you know how that goes. The edges are on. I have to still caulk the top so we can paint it, caulk the connection. Ruthie's finishing the drip edge right there. There she go. Oh yeah, you got this. There we go. Done and done. So all that is done. The panels are in. They're good. We're still cutting the corner piece for that side, but it's getting dark, so we're gonna retreat to the inside and we're gonna leave that for tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't rain. We got the stairs right here. We bought brackets at Home Depot today. We're just putting away the tools. And these are the old pieces. Hopefully it doesn't rain on them tonight because I'd like to cut them and put them on the inside as walls. And there goes the second shed we will be tackling soon. Maybe not while I'm here this time. But that shed is good, it's dry. There goes that shelving unit we took out. And we still have to frame in the door. So that's tomorrow. Right now, we're getting ready to go visit the in-laws for Christmas Eve. For a Christmas Eve visit, right? She's going. I'm not going. All of this is gonna stay the same. We're just going to cut a little bit of the damage on the bottom and put in some trim. That wall as well. It's just the back wall that was horrible. Okay. So that's pretty much it for today, people. It got a little chilly. I put on a sweater and now I'm sweating. Yeah. Nonetheless, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.